For this tutorial, we're going to show you how to measure the temperature of a patient. The purpose of this tutorial is to detect any underlying disease or infection. First, the nurse prepares all the materials. We have the disinfectant, the gloves, the thermometer, the alcohol, and the cleaning. Then the nurse identifies the patient by name and CPR number. And while she does that, she gets consent for the procedure. Then the actual procedure. The nurse starts by disinfecting her hands and putting on gloves. Then she measures the temperature. In this case, you can measure either in the ear or in the forehead. Once you hear a beep, the measuring is done, and you can read off the numbers. In this case, 36.6. The nurse then tells the patient what the numbers are, and she writes them down. And then she cleans the device.